Here's how to write a video script so that way you actually grow your business with your videos. Hey there, I am Patricia Kalikani, an Emmy Award winner, showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Alrighty, let's dive in. How to write a video script so you actually grow your business with a video. Yes, we do not want to waste time over here, right? We want to make sure we get results with our videos. Okay, there are 5 key steps when it comes to writing your video script for your video marketing video. I said video a lot. You guys know what I mean. Okay, step number 1 is research. What do I mean by research? Well, this is where you're going to find out what keywords you should include in your video and what you should title it, especially if it's like a how-to video on YouTube. But really for any of our videos, you want to do research so you can optimize it with keywords. My favorite tool that I use for this is vidIQ. It's super easy to use and they have a whole entire section on keyword research and all of that great stuff. Super easy, highly recommend it. There's a link in the description below so you can check it out. And this is why optimizing your video with keywords is so important. Really, there are 2 main reasons. One is you're more likely to pop up in search results. The search engines will know what your video is about because you're saying those keywords in your video, but you've also included it in the title of your file and all that great stuff. Second is if your video is on, let's say, YouTube, which is the number 2 most popular search engine after Google, then YouTube is more likely to show your video in the suggested feed and to promote it to people who have a history of watching similar videos. So you'll definitely get more views, which is obviously important. Step number 2 is you want to format your script the right way. Okay, I'm gonna go to my computer, it's right over there, and I'm gonna walk you through how to do this. Alrighty, so here's how to format your script. So I like to use Word. You can use anything though. By the way, this is an old version of Word, so yours probably looks different. But basically, you're going to click on tables. We only need 2 columns, so we'll go ahead and select that. And then on the left column, this is where the audio is. So basically what you're going to say. Then on the right side will be the visuals. And so this is what your viewer will see. And here is an example of actually my script outline for this video. So I have a little bit of like word for word script stuff, like for my intro, that was really important. So I just typed out the exact words I wanted to say up here. And then I have about me, which I wrote down word for word. But then when I go into like the steps, this is basically I just have talking points. And so I ad lib on camera what else I'm gonna say. And then I know over here on the right, if it's me on camera, if it's not me on camera. For example, for step 1, research, I knew it was just gonna be graphics. So when I record the video, I could take a break and look at my script and then go from there. So then I could record myself talking about these points. So there you go, an example of my script for this actual video. Okay, so here's the thing. You have options when it comes to writing your script. 1, you can write it word for word. There's nothing wrong with that. Or 2, you can simply just write talking points and ad lib what you're saying. If you don't feel comfortable just ad libbing, then that's okay. Start with what makes you the most comfortable. And you'll find that you'll just naturally adjust and do things differently in the future. Step number 3 is you want to start your video with a hook. You want to grab your viewers' attention. You want to tell them what is your video about and why doesn't matter. So at the beginning of this video, I told you what the video is about, how to write a video script, and then I answered the question, so what? Because that's a question your viewer is asking themselves, okay? So what? What's in it for me? So I answer that by saying, so that you actually grow your business with video. Because so many times, one of the most common things I hear is, I'm making videos, but I'm not seeing any results. And here we go. This is one way you can increase your sales and goals through writing a strategic video script. And one important thing to remember is you want your hook to be fast, right? Viewers' attention spans are so short and we want to hook them right away. So 5 seconds or less is great. Definitely 8 seconds or less, but the shorter you can hook them, the faster you can hook them, the better. Now, again, I just want to be clear, in my online course, the Map to Lucrative Videos, I go into a lot more detail about how to do this, but in this video, it'll definitely get you on the right track and get you started. And one of the favorite parts of the Map to Lucrative Videos is that it even includes script templates. So these are high converting templates for your homepage video, for your sales page video, even a how-to video. They're all in there, fill in the blank, Mad Lib style. So it makes it super easy for you to get results with your videos. And step 4 is the body of your video. And this is all different. It depends on what type of video you're making. For example, if you're making a video on your sales page, it's gonna be totally different than making a how-to video. For example, in a how-to video, this is where you're gonna lay out the steps. Pretty much like what I've done in this video. Step 1, step 2, and so forth. But let's say you're making a video on your sales page, then it's gonna look a lot different. You want to have empathy. You wanna tell them how you are gonna solve their problems, all of that great stuff. And guess what? I have a free masterclass where you can discover the secret video script to convert your viewers into customers. It's so good. People honestly told me, I can't believe you're giving this out for free, but I am. So the link is in the description below. You can take that masterclass. It is pretty amazing. In fact, one of my students who took that class followed that exact template and made a handful of sales right away. So I highly recommend it. Step number 5 is the last step, and this is where you end your video with a call to action. Because here's the thing, a video without a call to action is like meeting your soulmate, but not giving him your phone number. No, it's like throwing a party, but not sending out the invites. Guys, they just watched you on video. They want more. So this is your way to share how they can get to know you better while growing your business. So step 5, your call to action. And there were 2 different call to actions. First, there's your business building call to action. That's what I call it. This is your call to action where you lead them to your freebie or to a discovery call, whatever it is that aligns with your business goal. If it's to grow your email list, it's for them to get your freebie and so on. The second call to action, which is mainly for YouTube and social media when you post your videos there, it's your social growing call to action. That's what I call it. And that is to encourage them to subscribe to your channel, which, by the way, if you haven't yet, push that subscribe button. If it's like Instagram, it's to encourage them to follow you, that type of a thing. Or also to help increase engagement, for them to comment below and like the video, that type of a thing. So business building call to action and a social growth call to action. 2 very important call to actions. Alrighty guys, if you haven't yet, make sure and download my free training video. Do you see what I'm doing right here? business building call to action. But seriously, you want my free masterclass where you'll discover the secret video script to convert your viewers into customers. I walk you through the 7 must-haves to a video that gets you more customers, how to make more sales without being salesy. You won't want to miss this. Get your hands on that. And of course, I go into much more detail about video scripts in my online course called the Map to Lucrative Videos. This is my course where I walk you through my MAP framework so you can increase your income and impact with video. It's so much fun, and it's more than a course. It includes group coaching every month so we can see each other on Zoom, and we have so much fun and get results in our videos. And now it's time for the social growth call to action. If you liked this video, click that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Let me know, do you write out your scripts word for word, or do you just have your talking points? All right, have a good day, and I hope to see you on our next group coaching call on Zoom. Bye. Good. Oh my goodness, I just got this fear that I never pushed record after what happened yesterday. Okay, yay!